So we found Western Timber at a home show. We went there specifically looking for something that we had seen prior at home shows. Didn't know who they were, but we kind of knew what we were looking for. So that's where we went specifically looking for this company without a name. And then we found them at the home show out in Sandy, Utah. And we dialed in on them and said, "You're who we're looking for, you're exactly what we want, now let's talk." I mean, really, honestly, it was pretty straightforward for us. I mean, we knew what we were looking for. When they came to our yard specifically, I mean, they were so great. You know, this is what we can do for you, this is how it would look, how it would work. I mean, we really didn't have a ton of obstacles. Sure, so our design manager was amazing. He came to our home, kind of went through actually like what our house looked like, what we had inside our home, and just to kind of get our style. And it was really awesome. Then we came into the backyard and he looked at what we had and said, you know, let's take some measurements, let's get some ideas. Showed us information on styles and things that we could add to the structure based upon kind of the individual, based upon our style and the way our home looked. He was, when he left, like our best friend kind of thing. It was awesome. We loved him. Absolutely, I would recommend this experience to anyone. Actually, we've had great exposure as people have come over and people have asked. We've actually sent out several referrals and had some real positive experiences there.